Hi, welcome to another math lesson. Today we'll be solving this problem with completing the square method. 1 over 4x squared minus 1 over 2x minus 13 equals to 0. So the first thing we're going to do is take this constant to the other side and we'll have this. The next thing is to get rid of the denominators, and we'll do that by multiplying by the LCM. So multiply both sides by 4. 4 is the LCM, so I have 4, 1 over 4x squared minus 4, 1 over 2x equal to 4, 2 brackets 13. I'm going to go 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1, and 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So that's x squared will be left, because 1 times x squared is x squared. Then 2 times x is 2x equals to 4 times 13 is 52. Then the next thing is add half the square of the coefficient of x to both sides. Okay, so we'll have x, beg your pardon, we'll have 1 over 2 times minus 2. Minus 2 is the coefficient of x squared. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. So it will be minus 1 squared. So this is what we're going to add to this side and also to this side. And so we have x squared minus 2x plus minus 1 over 2 minus 1 squared equals to 52 plus minus 1 squared. Okay? Then we're going to compress this and it will give us x minus 1 all squared. And this will give us 52. Minus 1 squared is 1. Okay, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So we have x minus 1 squared. 52 plus 1 is 53. So now we have this. So here we need to get rid of this square. And to do that, we'll just take roots of both sides. If we do that, we'll have x minus 17 equals to plus or minus square root of 53. Okay? Sorry, x minus 1 equals to plus or minus square root of 53. And so we'll go x equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 53. Therefore, our answer will be x equals to 1 plus square root of 53 and x equals to 1 minus square root of 53. We're told to give the answers in short form. Therefore, these will be our solutions. Hope this was very helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.